Today we are going to solve page number 11 from Drawing and Coloring book, class 5th. We have a new technique here to paint, stippling technique. Last time we learned stroke, stippling, scribbling, this type of coloring technique. Now we are going to implement that technique on this design. On page number 10, as you can see, we have given already one design. We are going to draw some parts. Those are not given here. Like this. Here we have to make the heart shape in 4 sides. Then some leaf part is there. If you want to change that part, you can change it. Like this way. Complete the all drawing part first with the help of pencil. There is a two technique to use this stippling. One, directly you can do the stippling, unless you can use the one wash downside and then use a dark color on it. I am going to use second one. That side is looking more beautiful. Now our drawing is almost finished. Now here I am going to paint with the pencil color. It is an watercolor pencil. Here just lightly I am going to give the wash and light shading with the pencil. Afterwards, if you want to make smooth, you can take over brush and water and use like a watercolor. I am going to show you on some part, not each and every part. Like this. Now follow this technique to all remaining parts. I'm going to show you. Here I use red color pencil. If you want to make changes in color, you can change it. But here I am going to use same color scheme. Those are given in page number 10. Follow this technique and this coloring pattern to all remaining flower. Like this. Now here I am going to use a light green color pencil to paint that leaf part. Light blue color to give inside. Now follow this technique. There is a lots of technique also to color. Last time we learned that there is a lots of type of coloring. We call them a technique, carving technique, stippling technique, mosaic technique, shading technique. There are lots of shading techniques are there. We are going to follow one. Now here you can see with the watercolor I am going to make it smooth as a watercolor. Like this we can do the light color wash because it is an watercolor pencil, that's why it's happened. Now we are going to start to do the stippling. With the sharp point you have to give the dots on that. If you want to make a dark shade, you can do the more dots near and close. If you want to make a light shade, you can increase the space between dots. As you can see, I'm going to do this technique for remaining all parts. I'm going to forward this. Till the end, we have to do this technique same way. Now here you can see we have a light and dark color combination here on background, and on that first layer we use color pencil to do the light shading. Now with the help of this dot we are going to make dark color on it. That's why it's visible properly. You can use directly with the sketch pen or this technique, stippling technique, but that time the back side of page is looking white and bright. That's why you can give one wash on it and then try to do shading with the stippling technique like this. Okay, now I'm going to use blue color. Then blue color we have a dark green. On background I use a light. For stippling I am using the dark. This is a contrast we can show with the colors. That's why it should be visible on the background. If you try with the dark color on background and we try to do light color with the stippling, it's not visible properly. That's why the downside we have to use a light color and top we have to use dark color. It's look like this. After this all stippling we are going to do border with the help of black color with same technique. Here we have to do the border on that lines same way as we choose for the all parts, but we have to use the black color like this. Now I will understand very well. With the help of this technique we can paint any type of picture and drawing with this technique. Like this way. Now follow this technique for all remaining part. I'm going to show you the small part slowly. Now I'm going to forward this. Follow this technique to all remaining parts. Stippling work is taking a time to complete. Take a time, should be good for your concentration as well as your sitting capacity will be increase. If you are not possible to do once at a time, you can divide some parts at a day, at an hour, and try to complete. For this technique we require some concentration and patience also, because it's taking a time to complete it, but after completing it's look like beautiful. We have got some texture like this. After this all, do the outline border also, those square is given. In middle there are 4 lines are there, you can see there. On page number 10 is already given. We are going to just follow this and try to complete this one. Okay, after completing it look like this. Today we learn page number 11 from drawing and coloring book class 5th. Afterwards we are going to solve next page